Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your Redmi Note 7 Pro and opening settings. This gives direct access to navigation controls. Once done, confirm battery above 10% so no interruptions. Tap the settings icon or swipe up to the app drawer, then use the search field at top. Type navigation to jump faster. This avoids scrolling through many menus, and it locates the exact setting group you need. Make sure to follow the next actionable step immediately after the settings screen appears. Once you find the display or full screen display menu, tap it so you can reach navigation controls. This is where Xiaomi groups button and gesture options. You will see either navigation buttons or full screen gestures. Select that line to reveal choices and short explanations. Read the descriptions to understand how gestures replace the 3-button layout, because the why matters when you change muscle memory. Make your selection by tapping the option you prefer, and prepare to test it immediately on the home screen or an app. After choosing navigation buttons or gestures, tap back or apply so the change takes effect. You should see the navigation bar or gesture hints instantly. Test by swiping up, back, or using the visible buttons to confirm expected behavior. If the navigation bar is still missing, make sure you didn't enable immersive mode in an app. Then reboot the phone and check settings about phone for MIUI updates. If problems persist, a quick restart or update usually restores the correct navigation control.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.